As electric vehicles become increasingly popular, it's important for professional workshops to be able to offer fast and reliable EV charging as part of the service routine. CTEK's NJORD GO is easily portable and perfect for use around the workshop. Simply plug it into a CEE socket and connect it to your customer's EV. NJORD GO provides fully automatic, powerful charging of up to 11 kilowatts and supports 1, 2 and 3-phase charging, while its integrated safety features and state-of-the-art natural convection cooling technology ensure a safe and stable charging experience. For safe maneuvering around the workshop, it can be mounted on the optional Trolley Pro, or if you want to hang it up on a wall or ramp post, you can add the NJORD GO wall mount accessory. Let's equip your workshop with a fast, reliable and portable EV charger from a brand that you can trust. This is the NJORD GO from CTEK.